You're probably fed up of seeing the label video. So I hate to say it, guys, but in this video, we're going to be looking at labels. They look really nice. That's that. We've also got to pack orders. So well, that didn't work out as planned. You're probably fed up of seeing the label video, like Charlene moved past it, and I'm genuinely fed up of still talking about it. So, in this video, we are going to give the labels one more go, one last chance to make this work. Now, I have been working on some labels behind the scenes, which I'll show to you today. And basically we're going to print them off, put them on the diffuser jars and see what they look like. I don't have a plan B. This is the only plan I have. So if this plan doesn't work, I don't know where we go from here. So I hate to say it, guys, but in this video, we're going to be looking at labels. We're going to be looking at labels again. I told you in the previous vlog that I did that I managed to do the rediffuser box labels, so that's all done. I think where we left off is that I had printed them off myself, but since then I have sent them off to be printed professionally. So I've got two sets of labels to show you today. I've got the rosewood labels, which has a mistake on it, but we'll talk about that later. And I also have the cashmere plums labels. We've also got to pack orders, so I've got to make and pack 3 rediffusers, so we'll also go ahead and do that. Oh, and by the way, my name's Charlene. I am the owner of Emadore, and I'm desperately trying to build a home fragrance company from scratch, from the beginning, and I'm basically taking you behind the scenes, as well as showing you like how I make the wax melts, handles, and new tips and tricks, and basically sharing what I've learned or what I know to this date. So I am a nurse by background, so I work in a secondary school. It's one of the best jobs I've ever had. I absolutely love it. I try and squeeze in making rediffusers and candles and wax melts here and there when I can. Today is Sunday. I think it's Sunday the 26th of January. It's grey outside, it's raining. I'm in my pyjama t-shirt. I mean, I need to be cozy today because I'm exhausted and I've got work tomorrow. But yeah, so that's a little bit about me. Let's stop chatting and let's get into the video. Let me start off by showing you the new labels. So, them here. Which one should I show you first? I did have a sneak peek at these. Well, I had a peek. I had more than a peek. I basically took one out and put it on the box. So let's start off by showing you the rosewood labels first, because those are the ones that I ordered first, and those are the ones that have the slight mistake on it. If you can spot the mistake, I'm not going to tell you what it is. Put it down in the comments below and let's see if you get it right. I hope no one sort of points out more than one mistake, because I can only spot one. I hope there's not more than one. That's going to be embarrassing, isn't it? So basically, these are the rosewood labels. They look really nice. I like them. I like them. I would say, in terms of design, maybe 85 to 90% happy with these, and they will do for now. So yeah, that's the rosewood one. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. I will show you the cashmere plums as well. These are the cashmere plums one. So these labels are from Avery Labels. I am 85 to 90% happy with the design. They will probably change in the future, but like I said, I'm happy with them for now. So I don't want to give away the answer to the mistake, so I will show you the rosewood diffuser labels up close, and then I'll show you the difference between my old label, which I printed off using my home printer, and then I'll show you the professional label so you can see there's a big difference. Before we do that though, I just wanted to quickly let you know that I bought some new label paper, and also from Evergreen Goods. So I bought some matte white paper, and I'm hoping to print off Cuban oak reed diffuser label using this paper, so we'll see what that looks like. And then I also brought some glossy white paper. So we're going to try these for the reed diffuser bottle labels and see what they look like. And obviously if they work, then they'll be able to be transferred across to the wax melt labels and also the candle labels. I'm still working on the candles, so TBC. Old label, new label. Big difference, big difference. Could be the paper. So we'll try printing the Cuban oak reed diffuser box label on the new paper that I just showed you and see if it comes out any different. So that's the rosewoods, big difference. That's that. And then this was the old cashmere plums reed diffuser label, and I might give away the answer now, but never mind. These are the new labels. So again, looking at the colour and the quality, definitely prefer sort of these labels. So what we're going to do next is probably just have a quick look at the labels that I said I've been working on for the reed diffuser bottles. Maybe we need to, if I got a bottle in here, I think I've got a bottle in here. Ouch. Okay, these are the white ones. I'll keep that out just in case, because I may change my mind and use the white ones anyway. Okay, this is just the see-through one. Do we actually have any of the frosted glass? I genuinely don't know if I like these. Do you know what I mean? I genuinely don't know if I like these. I've got luxury reed diffuser twice. Okay, so I need to put some notes in here. Let's go with that. Why not? Where are we? Where are we? Okay, so here's a look at the different labels side by side. So this is the matte paper, not the greatest, maybe I need to change the printer settings. And here's the glossy paper. Looks a lot more professional, to be fair, and is a little bit more like, so if I put that in the middle and just compare the two, this one's a lot more sort of similar to that one, even though this wasn't a glossy paper, this was a matte paper. It's really weird. So yeah, looking at them side by side, you can kind of see there's a difference in sort of texture and in quality. So I didn't really want glossy, but glossy turned out to be sort of the better one, so I'm quite happy I went ahead and bought that one. So yeah, let's go ahead with this one. In terms of like the mini label for the bottle, I think where it says hand pulled and Wimbledon luxury reed diffuser, it's a bit too small, so I need to go ahead and make that a bit bigger. although it didn't quite cut properly because you can see the line is still there, so that's a bit annoying. Okay, now let's see if we can stick it on. If this thing could stop moving, that would be great. To be fair, that's not too bad. Does it look better than it did before? 100%. So that's sorted. So we've got the paper for that. Now, I know I said I was going to go in and redesign this, which I have, but let's just see what it looks like on the bottle. What do you think? Can't really see the Emadore on it. Complete transparent one. That actually looks quite nice on that one. I think because this is glossy and so is the label, so it almost matches. I prefer it on this one, which is one annoying because I went ahead and bought loads of these, but also number two, these are the cheaper jars, so yeah. That didn't work out as planned. But it will do.